In this video, I'll show you how to turn off two-step verification in Roblox. So if you want to disable the extra security verification on your Roblox account, this tutorial will help you out. Make sure to follow each step carefully. First, open Roblox and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now click on Settings from the menu. If you're using the Roblox mobile app, tap the three dots at the bottom right and then select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to the Security section. Here you'll find the option called Two-Step Verification. If it's currently enabled, you'll see email selected as the verification method. Simply click or tap on None to disable it. It gives you warning message. Simply confirm it. Roblox may now ask you to verify your identity using a code sent to your email or authenticator app. Enter the code and continue. You might also need to enter your account password to confirm the change. After that, two-step verification will be successfully disabled on your Roblox account. And that's basically it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Roblox tutorials.